To enable sound, vibrate mute in bottom left corner pointer stop Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility. Select interaction and dexterity, and then scroll down the screen. Tap auto action after pointer stops, and then select bottom left, and then scroll down the screen. On sounds, vibrate and mute. Tap switch until blue to enable or tap switch until green to disable. If you tap switch until blue, you can use your mouse pointer and in position in bottom left. You can see sound, vibrate and mute in here. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.